In the everyday world, people can easily see what others are working on, which creates opportunities for conversation and collaboration. However, when people work over computers, their bodies shield their work and collaboration is inhibited. In both cases, distant co-workers have no opportunity to get a sense of what is going on.
Our interest is in how a small group of co-workers can stay aware of each other's desktops. We decided to use the community bar as a way to do this. Community bar is a media space located at the display's periphery. It displays media items with group awareness information. Examples include text chat, shared photos, shared web pages, and video of group members. When something of interest happens, a person can expand their view to see more detail, or they can bring up a separate window to interact with it. We created a screen sharing media item. To illustrate, Gregor has decided to share his desktop with his colleagues, all who are interested in the paper he is writing and the presentation he is creating. He creates a new screen sharing item, and all group members immediately see a miniature of his display that is regularly updated. In the same way, he can see his colleague Kim's display. He notices she has started working on a paper. He looks at it more closely and then decides to raise a larger view of her desktop for even more detailed viewing. He can now zoom into the full size and even pan around. To start a conversation with Kim, he can request remote pointing. Kim sees an invitation appear on her side. She grants Gregor permission. Gregor's cursor appears and they can now have a conversation. Gregor has many ways that he can control what others see. He can adjust how often his screen image is sent to others, or he can make updates happen only manually when he selects it. He can restrict how much others can zoom into his view. He can also distort the image that is sent so that people can get a sense of what he is doing without seeing the details. For example, here he has decided to blur his image. Finally, he can adjust what part of the screen is visible to others. This can be a specific window, or it can be the currently active window that he is working in, or he could specify a region of the screen by moving handles around. Only the region within these handles will be sent to others. Finally, the handles change color whenever a snapshot is being taken, so he has feedback on what is being transmitted and when. While there are many screen sharing systems in existence today, ours differs from others because it provides a person awareness of what their collaborators are doing and quickly allows them to move from awareness to interaction to collaboration.